The Smile Design application opens on a page that allows you to import photos. Import a portrait photo of the patient with a visible smile by pressing the central image frame. Only a smile photo is mandatory. If the patient does not show their gums when smiling, import a retracted photo by pressing on the left image frame, or by dragging and dropping the image. These pictures can be switched if needed. You may add additional photos, such as a profile image, by importing them into supplemental photos. These will be shared with your collaborators when sending the case. You can now open the Adjust Photo menu and perform the basic photo editing available there. Reset to Original is always available. Use the View and Edit button to enlarge, add, or remove supplemental photos. When the photos are uploaded, press Next. In this step, you will align the photo by adjusting the placement of 3 sets of reference points. Make sure the points are placed on the pupils, nasal wings, and commissures. You can do that in any order, while using the magnifying tool to help with precise placement. The pupils and commissure points are used to find the horizontal balance between the points, while the nasal wings help to set the midline properly, to dictate the canine position. When the photo is balanced, adjust the placement of the blue inner lip line, if needed. This can be done by dragging the control points, pressing the control points on the picture, or by drawing a line on the picture. You can also adjust the lip line editing radius. When ready, press Next. The alignment of the smile and retracted photos is done automatically. The color-coded control points are synchronized between views, and minor adjustments can be done by dragging the points on either view. The manual alignment option is also available. Just click and start placing corresponding points on the photos. The magnifying tool is also available here to adjust with placement. Once done, you'll notice the 2 images are overlaid. Press Next to start designing your patient's new smile. When entering the Smile Design step, you'll see the patient's photo with a 2D outline of the teeth placed on top. On the left side, there is the available Collapsible Tools tabs menu. The placement of these smile frame outlines can be adjusted with the Transform tool, using the control points available when pressing on the smile frame. First, the cross symbol can be used to move the smile frame to a different position on the photo. Then, the 4 arrows located above, below, and to either side of the smile frame can be used to change the length and width of the teeth in the outline. When enabled, you'll notice a change in the height to width ratio, shown as a percentage below each tooth. Use the gingival and smile curves control points to adjust the perspective of the teeth outlines in relation to the commissures. Lastly, the individual teeth can also be rotated. You can also use the Symmetric Design and Linked Design options to design the shape of any tooth in relation to the other teeth, both of which are activated by default. Symmetric Design allows you to work on the chosen tooth and the contralateral tooth at the same time. Linked Design allows you to adjust the teeth and its neighbors at the same time. You can remove any tooth from the smile frame. Just press on the tooth, and when highlighted, use the Delete Tooth button. You can scroll through and preview an extensive selection of smile outlines in the Smile library. You can do that with Simulation on or off. You can also toggle the retracted smile picture on and off. You can also toggle on and off the smile frames. The Library Suggestions button will help you choose by presenting 3 libraries that fit the natural dentition shapes, ranked in order of fit. Just click on one to be applied. The Snap to Teeth button will adjust the library teeth to the shape of the natural dentition. It can be used in cases when you'd like to do only minor adjustments of the length. The same principles can be applied for the lower teeth libraries in the Smile library. For your selected smile frame, you can use the Free Form tool to change each tooth's shape. Hover over the selected tooth, indicated by the green-colored border, to see a preview of the new shape. You can also change the shape of each tooth by freely drawing its outlines. With the aid of the Mirror tool, you can copy the design from one tooth to the contralateral one. In the next step, you can use the Simulation tool, where you can change the texture library on the teeth. Using the sliders, you can also adjust the color of the simulated teeth, using shade and brightness. Use Auto Color Suggestion or the Color Picker tool to allow you to adjust the size of the picker and pick the color from any other area that could be used for sampling. You can also use Hue, Chroma, or Value to adjust the color. All color adjustments can be done for all the teeth involved, or for just some of them. Simulation adjustments enable you to adjust the shadow from lip and highlights for an even more realistic simulation. The final smile design can also be improved using the Photo Edit tool. The Liquify tool allows for gingiva adjustments, hiding exposed original teeth, touching up the photo, and more. The Liquify tool should be positioned so that the yellow circle surrounds a region of the photo that you want to drag and stretch. The Copy tools, whether static, dynamic, or symmetric, work by double pressing anywhere on the photo to specify the location of a source area, shown in blue. Now, after you press and drag the cursor over the destination area, the pixels placed inside this blue boundary will be copied over to the destination circle, shown in green. When the smile design is ready, press Next to find yourself in the Presentation step, where the slider automatically shows the transformation. Enable Mirror to show the patient how their new smile will look to them when looking in a mirror. You can also anonymize the photo if necessary. Here you can also add a logo or a signature of your clinic and choose the location on the picture. You can set it to be default for all your future cases. You can share the photo with the patient. Just add the patient email and a PIN if you wish. At that step, you can use the Export Photos button that allows you to choose the location and export the photos. You can do the same with a GIF. And that's how it looks. The photos are compressed by default to keep it easy to send. When the design is finished, it is visible in the order overview.